So how artists apply elements and principles of design of something is through art we can express. So Maria, I am from BS Ed Filipino 4. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Lazel Maria. I am from BS Ed Filipino 4. So first, I am defining what is art. So art is the intentional creation or arrangement of something express ideas, emotions, experiences, beauty, or meaning. So through art, we can express our emotions, our feelings, our ideas, or how we are today, the feeling that we had. So in art, it not talks about the beauty of that art, but those art are there are emotions, or there are messages of behind those art that they create. So how artists use apply elements and principles of design to convey meaning. So art uses the elements of such as lines, shape, colors, and either the value. So they those elements, the artists are used that one. So in that, so it expressed the ideas of or feelings and messages that artists have. So for examples, if we are creating, or if we use uh, the dark color, or the dark color, like example color black, so diba, when we say dark color, so ang magiging sa mga audience, so kagaya ng mga audience or mga nanonood or mga manonood, so kapag nakikita nila, when they say the dark colors are parang nasa isip nila is the artists are expressing their emotions. Sila ay malungkot, they experience sadness, problems in life, or either a struggle. So it is the dark color. So also artists use bright colors, so they also use bright colors. So in bright colors, it express their happiness, or they are the balance or the arrangements and the objects, and also it helps guide the viewer's attention and create the creativity mood. So there are differences if we use on how we use those elements of art, because when we can see the dark colors, hindi po natin masasabi na ay masaya ang isang artist, o paano niya kung paano pinakita ng artist ang kanyang ginawang painting, or other the art. So example, so these are the elements of art. So the line, so it mark made by pointed tools such as brush, pen or stick. So shape, so sa painting or sa draw, we can use line, shape. So the colors, like what I've said, na this one is bright colors, so it express happiness, or they are motivated. So the value, the next is the value, and also the form, texture, and also how they create space. They use also the space. Next is the artistic expressions of Filipino and traditions. So Filipino artists are they show or express through art in our culture. So Filipino artists show our cultures, beliefs, history, and a way of life through art. So example, so in art, it represents the faith, love, and unity, or in our family, so or in a community. So example are in traditional dances, like for example traditional dances is this one is the tinikling. So through art we can use this one, the sample, this is a traditional dances. And also the sculpture. And the next one is what we call that weaving. So these are the examples. So through this one, so it shows the Filipino identity and preserve as our traditions. So by giving or by showing the respect, we respect and unity, the faith and the love that expressed there, and the love, and also the love for our community. So this one. The next one is therapeutic value of art. So art can help improve person's emotions and mental well-being. So art can help improves a person's. And also in art, if what I said, it allows people to express their ideas, that their difficult emotions. So when they cannot show through the people, like when they cannot show through words, so they use art as expressing they use art as expressing their emotions and their uh, ideas and their experiences. So for me, I am not into painting, because when I feel sad, like when I feel lonely, I am using, or I am through music, I can express my emotions, like like doing or mag-compose og mga kanta, mga lyrics. So doon ay maipakita ko kung ano ang nangyayari sa akin, like doon ko na express ang aking emotions. And also when making in social media, like on TikTok, I'm doing like mga content, may mga ganon sa mga music. So doon ko pinapakita ang aking laman sa aking sa totoong, like for example, and the way of expressing myself, ganon po pala ma'am, doon ko maipalabas. So so in expressing my emotions. So for example, like marami sa iba, they use drawing, painting, kagaya po ng pinagawa niyo sa amin ma'am, yung painting doon, tapos doing painting, creating drawings doon. So there are someone na it can help them to reduce or release their emotions and feel calm. Also for me, it also reduce my emotions through art. So that is how art is important in our daily life, because it is helpful, because there's time when we feel sad and we cannot say it through words to our friends. We are just like drawing, or ipapakita lang natin sa kanila sa pamamagitan ng mga paintings, or mga music, films, and marami pang iba. And also ma'am, so in summary, so it is important for us to appreciate art in our life, because it helped us by reducing the sadness that we had. And art is the way of expressing our emotions, our ideas, and also uh, on how we are today. So ma-express natin sa pamamagitan ng isang art. So in the Philippines, so art reflects our culture, our traditions, values, and identity. And by showing those identity, by showing the history, beliefs, and the way of our life. So art also helps our improve our identity, or how we are today. So art helps improve our emotional and mental well-being, because it allows people to express their feelings and they make comfort. So some people are mas kuan jud nila ang art, like art jud ang ilang kuan through painting. So sa mga mag-painting, diha jud nila ma-express ang ilang feelings sa kana nga ilang gihimo. So para sa ako nga sa music lang na ako ma-express ang akong feeling as when I feel sad, doubt, and struggles or has a problem. So that's all ma'am, and thank you po.